I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, 'cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my...
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I appreciate you joining me. So you guys know I've been doing a Rocking Every Palette series after I showed you my Lorac collection and trying to use every single one of them and determined to use every single one of them. And initially my thought was that I would film every one of them, and I kind of have, but I don't know if you're getting a little bit tired, but I'm getting a little bit tired of using only Lorac, and I'm missing my other products. I'm going to use the Lorac Gold, one of these little mini palettes for a transition, maybe, not sure exactly yet, and then this Lorac Refined Romance palette. And I'm just going to combine these all together so that I'm killing lots of birds with one stone, and I'm going to do that a lot. And I also think maybe I'm not going to use or make a video for every single palette. I may just take all the ones that I have left and do a compilation video and just show you looks, because every morning I'm not going to be able to film it, but I've been using it. So I want to show you that I've used it, show you the look, but maybe not show you the entire process. I had a friend, somebody that I'm going to collab with soon. Her name is Nikki Raven. I'll link her right here. She asked me what rocking is. And I'm just a nerd. I make up my own words, or I spin words that are in the English language to fit my Mustangisms. And so rocking, R-A-W-K, is just a way of saying rocking, R-O-C-K-I-N-G, in a Sherry kind of way. So rocking it means wearing it well, wearing it like a boss, rocking it. So feel free to use my made-up word. But I'm going to get into this. I have a meeting that I have to be at today pretty soon. It's Friday, and I don't have kids today. I'm 2 weeks through school, and I have a 4-day or 3-day weekend, but this is a 4-day weekend without kids. So I'm looking forward to all the things that I get to film and all the videos I get to catch up with you guys. But I say I have to go, and I'm just yapping. So let's get into it. I neglected to say that this palette has a blush and a highlight in it, and so I'm going to use that. I have foundation, eyebrows, all those things on, all the way up to bronzer, and now I'm going to go in with the blush and the highlighters from this palette, the Refined Romance.
Tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better? I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, 'cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my phone, no. I'm out with my friends, but I think of you instead. Is it alright if I got to know you better? Is it alright if I told you how I feel? 'Cause you could be more than a stranger, so tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better? Got to know you better. So tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better?
You won't dance with no one else. What's the point in that? We're drinking just to be ourselves, like it's all we have. But I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. So tell me what I wanna know, 'cause I just want you to myself.
But I have to ask, is it alright if I got to know you better? Is it alright if I told you how I feel? 'Cause you could be more than a stranger. So tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better?
I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it.
Please tell me what I wanna know.
Is it alright
If I
got to know you better?
Is it alright if I got to know you better? Is it alright if I told you how I feel? 'Cause you could be more than a stranger. So tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better? I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, 'cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my phone, no. I'm out with my friends, but I think of you instead. Is it alright if I got to know you better? Is it alright if I told you how I feel? 'Cause you could be more than a stranger. So tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better? A stranger, so tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better?
You won't dance with no one else. What's the point in that? We're drinking just
Alright guys, this is the finished look.
like it's all we have.
I'm happy with the way it turned out. The eyelashes are Siren Minis by House of Lashes, one of my favorites. Just a quick breakdown. I really love the blush. Not so impressed with the highlights, but I mean, I got it to be glowy. I really liked this color to darken it up for the halo eye. This color is super beautiful, but in the pan, like what I'm seeing, looks super pink, but when I got it on the eye, it looks super gold. And it matched well, but it wasn't what I was looking for, but it turned out okay. Use that for the brow bone. It was super pigmented, so I went ham and had to kind of go back and chill it out a little bit. This was really nice for an inner corner highlight, really frosty white. So overall, I'm happy with it all. I only ended up using the one little pro one for the transition. But I have to get out of here because I have a professional development meeting to get to. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you like the look that I came up with. I think it's pretty, maybe a tad bit overdone for sitting in a room with a bunch of teachers, but it's whatever, right? I like to be fancy even for professional development, but gotta go. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Your choice, whoever wins or whoever will. But I have to get into this. I've got a meeting to be to. What up, Pete?
I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't